Sellsy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video on how to use Sellsy. Sellsy is a powerful all-in-one solution for sales, project management, and accounting. It's great for small businesses or freelancers who want to keep track of their clients and projects in one place. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of Sellsy. We'll show you how to create an account and provide an overview of the platform's features and functionalities. Additionally, we'll demonstrate how to add a product and a customer in Sellsy. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Sellsy, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description. So go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Get Started button. This action will direct you to the registration form. Here, you have several options for creating your account. You can either choose to sign up using your Google account or your email address. It's all about your preference. After choosing the preferred method, follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. Once you successfully create your account, you will be directed to your account dashboard. The dashboard is your control center within Sellsy, where you can manage, operate, and monitor all of your sales, projects, and accounting tasks. The dashboard is organized with a left-hand menu that features several main tabs, each serving a distinct function. The dashboard tab is designed to prioritize and organize your day-to-day tasks. It showcases your agenda, your tasks, recent objects you've created, and important data such as turnover, bills, quotes, and opportunities. The dashboard tab is your personal assistant, keeping you up to date and focused on your essential tasks. The Contacts tab is the hub for all your business connections. It lets you add and view customers, prospects, suppliers, and general contacts. It also includes listings of companies, individuals, potential duplicates, and a company directory. This tab ensures you have all your vital contact information centralized and easily accessible. Opportunities is where you manage potential business deals. It allows you to create an opportunity, view a list of existing opportunities, and monitor progress in the pipeline view. This tab is key for driving sales and tracking your business growth. The Billing tab is key to your financial management. It enables you to create quotes, view lists of quotes and drafts, create invoices, view invoice lists, create credits, check asset lists, create templates, view model lists, access the billing log, view document line details, and monitor deadlines. This tab ensures you stay on top of your financial responsibilities. The Purchases tab simplifies your supplier interactions. It allows for easy import of invoices, quick supplier invoice entries, creation of supplier invoices and credit notes, viewing of supplier lists, creation of purchase orders, delivery notes, and access to document line details. It assists in streamlining your procurement process. The Bank tab is where you manage your financial regulations. You can add rules, view lists of regulations and bank remittances, reconcile banks, and view a list of banks. This tab plays a crucial role in maintaining your financial compliance. The Catalog tab is where you can manage your diverse range of products and services. The Treasury tab allows you to manage your company's financial resources effectively. This tab is specifically designed for monitoring and handling payments, cash flow, and other financial assets. Moving on to the Accounting section, this is where you manage your financial records. You can access your sales journal, which logs all the sales transactions of your businesses. The Purchase log provides an overview of all your purchases. The Cash journal helps you keep tabs on all the cash transactions within your business. The Reports tab is a powerful tool for business analysis. It provides you with detailed reports that offer insights into different facets of your business, like sales, revenue, expenses, and customer behavior. Next is the Files tab, which is essentially your business's virtual filing cabinet. It provides a robust storage system for your important documents, contracts, invoices, and other necessary files. The Mall tab is an interactive platform to explore and purchase additional Sellsy plugins and services that could benefit your business. It's your one-stop shop for expanding the functionalities of your Sellsy account. The Time Tracking tab is all about efficient time management. Here, you can make weekly entries of your tasks, take quick notes, and keep a log of all your entries. You also have the option to start a timer to track the time spent on specific tasks, ensuring productivity and effective time usage. Onto the Marketing tab, this is where you can manage your marketing strategies, plan campaigns, and track their success. Lastly, the Editor tab is the Creativity suite of Sellsy. Here you can create new reactor models and browse through a list of reactor templates. Now let's see how to add a product in Sellsy. Adding a product in Sellsy is a straightforward process that enhances your business operations by providing an organized and detailed catalog of your offerings. Keeping your product information updated in Sellsy is essential as it allows for seamless generation of quotes, invoices, and sales analytics. You can add a product in Sellsy by following a few simple steps. First, click on the Catalog tab situated in the left-hand menu of your Sellsy dashboard. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Add a Product option in this drop-down menu and click on it. A pop-up form titled Add a Product will surface on your screen. The Add a Product form is split into several sections to capture all the necessary details about your product. The Product Information section requires you to enter the product reference, business name, description, usual quantity, unit, product category, and smart tags. The reference is a unique identifier for the product. The business name is how your product is identified in your business. The description provides further details about the product, and smart tags help categorize your products better. Next is the Price Information screen. Here you need to input the reference price, VAT rate, price excluding tax, and the purchase price excluding tax. This information is vital for the correct calculation and application of taxes on your products. The Accounting Information section is where you enter the Sales Accounting Code and Purchase Accounting Code. These allow for proper tracking and accounting of your products. Sellsy also offers the option to add custom fields. This feature allows you to include additional product specifics that might not be covered in the standard fields. To add these, click on the To Your Preferences option. Once you have filled all the required fields with correct details, you can then click on the Save button at the bottom of the form. However, if you have multiple products to add, you can click the Save and Add button, which will save your current product and open a fresh form for you to add another product. This feature saves time and effort when dealing with multiple product additions. Next, let's see how to add a customer in Sellsy. Adding a customer in Sellsy is an integral part of managing your customer relations and ensuring effective business operations. This process enables you to store essential details about your customers, facilitating better communication, precise invoicing, and detailed analytics. To add a customer in Sellsy, you'll need to navigate to the Contacts tab located in the left menu. Once you click on this tab, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you need to select the Add a Customer option. Upon selecting this, a pop-up form will appear on your screen, ready for you to input your customer's information. The first section in this form allows you to search the company directory. You can fill in details such as the country, company name, siren, and department. This is a crucial step as it prevents duplicate entries and ensures the accuracy of your customer database. Next, you will fill out the general information about the customer's company. This includes the company name, reference, website, and fare category. These details help create a comprehensive profile of your customer that can be used for future business transactions and interactions. Following the general information, you will enter the company's contact details, including the mobile number, fax, and email. This information is vital for maintaining open lines of communication with the customer. The main contact section requires you to input details about the primary individual you will be interacting with. This includes their title or civility, first name, last name, position within the company, email, mobile number, and fax. The main address section is where you enter the customer's primary place of business. This address will be used for billing and shipping purposes, so it's important to ensure its accuracy. If your client has financial information, it can be entered in the next section. This includes details such as the legal status, SIRET number, SIREN number, NAF code, share capital, RCS, and the intra-VAT number. This information is essential for financial transactions and legal compliance. All these steps lead to the creation of a complete customer profile in Sellsy. Adding a customer not only allows for efficient management of customer relationships, but also contributes to the smooth running of your business operations. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Sellsy. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and